Central Market, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Presented by Holidays on Shoestrings. Central Market Kuala Lumpur, Pasar Sini, is a cultural landmark that every tourist should visit. Located at Jalan Tung Tang Cheng Lock next to Klang River, it was founded in 1888 by the British and originally used as a wet market, while the current Art Deco style building was completed in 1937. It has come a long way from those early beginnings and is now a delightful destination for tourists, shoppers, and art lovers. Being one of the significant art spaces in Kuala Lumpur, it has emerged as the melting pot of the Malaysian culture and heritage and has now been named as a heritage site. Under its stunning Art Deco structure are a warren of kiosks featuring local handicrafts, textiles, souvenirs, collectibles, and restaurants. Most of them are the traditional handicrafts from various ethnic groups in Malaysia. There are 3 stories in the building which houses more than 300 shops, a haven for tourists. The market offers visitors a unique opportunity where they can relish not just a retail experience but also a heritage experience, offering a wonderful visual treat and appreciation of Malaysian heritage and architecture in a glance as they step into its doors. The art and soul of Kuala Lumpur Central Market is located behind the main building and opened in 2006. Its emphasis on art is evident with its transformation to house a variety of eclectic art galleries featuring an Illusion 3D art museum, art house gallery, and the Central Market art lane. An art corner comprising of 10 unique studios that feature exciting works of art by local artists. From contemporary art to caricature, architectural art, portraits of the country's premiers, as well as a do-it-yourself batik workshop. Malaysian Batik is a textile art that has been woven into the country's rich cultural tapestry. It's probably the most famous craft in the country. While it was commonly found in a few states, now you can find all kinds of batik products across shopping malls and craft centers in Kuala Lumpur. Even so, there's something magical about Malaysian Batik that you cannot experience by just buying batik-themed products off the shelf. For art and painting enthusiasts eager to learn about this traditional craft, do-it-yourself workshops are found here. The great thing about batik workshops are that they are relatively simple to do. Depending on your speed, you only need up to 2 hours to complete your artwork, after which you can continue exploring the city. The art lane retains a special charm, offering art lovers an exciting and friendly place for both browsing and buying, and is a hub of activity all year long. There are some beautiful paintings along this Central Market hallway, and you can barely tell if it's a real drawing or printing unless you look closely enough. The paintings are also created with brilliant designs of colors reflecting the tropical Malaysian landscape, which makes it a trip worth doing.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and tell your friends about it.